Hi friends! Today, we are going to draw 8 amazing and interesting animals. Come on, let's start drawing together. First, let's draw an elephant. An elephant is the largest land animal. It is famous for its long trunk and large ears. Elephants have huge bodies and 4 strong legs. How to draw it? Start by drawing a large, round head. Add 2 large ears on both sides of the head. Draw a long trunk curving downward. Add 2 small tusks beside the trunk. Draw a large body with 4 strong legs. Add a small tail at the back. Time to color. You can use gray, light brown, or dark gray. Add some extra colors to the ears and feet to make your elephant more interesting. Next, let's draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex, is a famous meat-eating dinosaur. It has a large head, sharp teeth, 2 small arms, 2 strong legs, and a long tail. How to draw it? Start by drawing a large head. Add an open mouth with many sharp teeth. Draw a large body with 2 strong legs. Add 2 small arms with claws. Draw a long tail curving backward. Add some details to its skin and body. Time to color. Color your T-Rex green, brown, gray, or any other color you like. Add spots or patterns to make it look even cooler. draw a bear. A bear is a large and powerful mammal. Its thick fur helps keep it warm in cold weather. Bears enjoy eating fish, berries, honey, and plants. They live in forests and mountains around the world. How to draw? Start by drawing a round head. Add 2 small ears on top. Draw a big round body. Make 4 strong legs. Add the eyes, nose, and a tiny tail. Time to color. You can color your bear brown, black, white, or gray, depending on your favorite type of bear. Let's draw a deer. A deer is a graceful and fast animal. Male deer have beautiful branching antlers. How to draw? Start by drawing the head. Add branching antlers. Draw a slim body. Make 4 long legs. Add a small tail. You can add a few spots on the body if you like. Time to color. Color your deer with light brown or dark brown. Next, let's draw a lion. The lion is often called the king of the jungle. Male lions have a thick mane around their heads that makes them look strong and majestic. Lions are powerful predators that live in grasslands. How to draw. Draw a round head. Add a large, fluffy mane around the head. Draw the face with eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Add a strong body with 4 legs. Draw a long tail with a furry tip. Color the body golden yellow or light brown, and the mane dark brown or orange. Next, let's draw a horse. A horse is a strong and beautiful animal that has been loved by people for thousands of years. Horses have 4 strong legs, a long neck, a flowing mane, and a long tail. They can run fast and are often found on farms, ranches, and in the wild. How to draw. Start by drawing the horse's head. Add the ears, eyes, nose, and mouth. Draw the long neck and large body. Add 4 strong legs. Create a long tail at the back. Don't forget to add the mane along its neck. Time to color. You can color the horse brown, black, white, gray, or any other colors you like. Let's draw a Pteranodon. Pteranodon was a flying prehistoric reptile with huge wings. It lived during the age of dinosaurs and flew through the skies looking for fish. How to draw? Start with a long head and beak. Add a crest on the back of the head. Draw a slim body. Make 2 large, wide wings. Add 2 small legs. Time to color. Use gray, brown, light blue, or green to make your Pteranodon look amazing. Next, let's draw a Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a large dinosaur, famous for the large sail-like fin along its back. It has a long snout, sharp teeth, a large body, and a long tail. How to draw? Draw a head with a long snout. Add an open mouth and sharp teeth. Draw a large body with strong legs. Add 2 arms with claws. Draw a long tail. Don't forget to add the large sail along its back. Time to color. Color your Spinosaurus with dark green, brown, gray, or other colors. You can use a brighter color for its sail. Wow, great job, friends! Today, we have drawn elephant, Tyrannosaurus Rex, bear, deer, lion, horse, Pteranodon, kangaroo. You have drawn 8 amazing animals. Don't forget to add your own colors and creativity so that every picture looks unique and fun. See you in the next drawing video.